Hi guys, Anna Peroni again, and I just want to show you this amazing new feature for the Microblading app. It's called e-forms. Basically, you can send the forms to your clients to fill from home now. They can fill and sign the forms from home. So what you do is you go to your Microblading app, right? Go to, not news, go to forms, right? And you go and click on plus, just like if the client was going to fill the form here on your mobile device. Now you're going to pick whatever forms you want them to fill. Let's pretend that we're going to do lips, and you just want to send lips and client medical history form, right? You can send as many forms as you want. Go and click on done, and it's going to ask you now if you want them to fill the form in the device, if they're here with you, or via email. So now we're going to do email. So we're going to put the client's email, right? Anna, let's pretend that I am the client. So I'm putting my personal email here for the world to see. Enter your message. So, dear so-and-so, please fill and sign. Whatever. Blah, blah, blah. And then you see here the forms that you're sending. Click on send forms. And your forms were sent to your client via email, right? So now let's check my email here. I've already been sending a lot of forms to myself. Just give it a second here, guys, because the internet is very slow. So here it is, new email here, e-forms. So basically, this is the logo for my business. You can change that, and I'll show you in another video. And the name of my business here, Miami Beach Microblading. So your client knows where the form is coming from. It's like, who the heck is this? No, the client knows. Oh, it's that so-and-so's logo and so-and-so's business name. So yeah, okay, I'll click on sign the forms. So this is the again, your business name. This is my business name, and your business logo is going to be right there. So then the client can start filling in their general info. If the client doesn't fill the general info and just scrolls down and doesn't even sign, doesn't do anything, just clicks on submit, it's not going to let them. It's going to force them to put their name, put their last name, date of birth, age, etc., etc., address, city, state, right? It's going to ask for your email, phone number. So it's not going to let the client get away with not putting their info. So now here, I don't know how your forms are. This is a dummy form that I made for lips. So I have red, click. They have a space to write. Do you have any allergies? Let's pretend the client has tree nuts allergies. Now, client filled or didn't fill, didn't type. Let's pretend the client wants to go now without signing, submit. You cannot submit unless you sign here. Okay, so let's pretend the client signed and they click on clear by mistake. Info is still gonna be here. It's not gonna clear the info. It's just gonna clear the signature, and it's still not gonna let them submit. They have to sign in order to let the client submit. So again, general info, because there's another form. Client doesn't have to fill out again. Everything is there already. Now client medical history form. So I agree that the information are correct, or whatever. Client has hepatitis, no. Easy bleeding, facelift, abdominal heart condition, no. Pregnant, no. If they click on pregnant, you can't do anything, right? Hopefully. Again, disease, any medications. Let's put I'm pretending that I'm the client. So yeah, so I'm taking birth control. And then I authorize it. And the signature is here already. So the client doesn't even need to sign again. But let's pretend client clicks here by mistake, right? Because she thinks that this is submit or whatever. And she cannot submit because she needs to sign. So again, client has to sign, click on submit, and form has been sent. So now this form here is gonna be inside, and give it a couple of minutes to save, but once it's saved, it's going to be inside here, your forms. Just like a normal form that the client filled, this is a dummy form that we did with my husband. It's gonna be just like that. And you can add notes like we did, you can go and add notes here, la la la, just like a normal form that the client will fill in your device. So now there you go, e-forms, you guys, save you money and save you time too now. Have a great day, and thanks for using the Microblading app. Bye bye now.